Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Wingman avatar decoration without actually playing the game. Make sure your activity privacy is on. So go to activity privacy and make sure this is enabled. Then you're going to open up Valorant and you're just going to leave it on for a few, like 15 minutes. And then when you've done that, you're going to go to the gift inventory and you'll be able to see that you got the Valorant one. My one has been claimed, but you're just going to claim it. Then you're going to select the use now on your profile. I got this one also for Sims. You can just basically open the game. You don't have to play it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.